Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Tasty Travel Reviews. Today we are making firecracker shrimp. A crowd pleaser for parties and events, for you and your family, or any occasion. So please give this recipe a try. So we're going to start off by adding 1 tablespoon of sugar to our shrimp, some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and of course, you already know, sesame seed oil. Next, you want to give everything a good mix. Make sure everything is well coated. Alright, so onto our wraps. Here I have a whole package of spring roll pastries. We are going to be cutting these in half, just like so. Now we are going to peel each wrap layer by layer. This is so satisfying. Here we have 3 green onions that is going to be going into the wrap alongside the shrimp. Give that a nice chop. In a bowl, crack 1 egg, give it a good whisk. This is going to be used to seal the firecracker shrimp together. So before placing the shrimp onto the wrap, you want to give the shrimp a good snap. Doing this will prevent the shrimp from curling up when you fry it. So we are going to place the green onions alongside with the shrimp. Grab one end of the wrap, fold it over, grab the bottom side, fold it upwards. Put some egg wash on the other end of the spring roll wrap. Now we are going to tightly roll this wrap all the way till the end, just like so. And there you have it, your first firecracker shrimp. Placing a wooden stick into the oil to determine if the oil is ready for frying. If it starts bubbling, it's time to fry. Alright, the moment that I have been waiting for. It's time to plate the dish. So the sauce that I'm using here is the spring roll sauce that you can buy from your local Asian grocery store. Or you can just check your grocery store and go down to the international aisle. They might have it there. I'll try to leave a link at the bottom if you want to purchase it online. Just check the description below. Would you just look at the display of all that firecracker shrimp? It's coming along just nicely. I can't wait to dig in. We're gonna top this spring roll sauce off with a little bit of garnish, because we all know we eat with our eyes before we eat with our mouths. Top it off with a little bit of cilantro, more sweet peppers. Do you see it all coming together now? Do you see the picture? Red, yellow, green. And of course, more cilantro all over the firecracker shrimp to give this dish an amazing visual. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, firecracker shrimp. If you enjoyed this video and like this recipe, be sure to give this video a great big thumbs up. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video and content, and I will see you all next time. Enjoy.